Well, hello. We're out here in Bend. We've been here for one day already. I was super sick yesterday, so I was just in bed all day. Megan was just basically taking care of me because, you know, man flu and everything like that. But anyway, we're still having problems with the door. So it's broken. The plastic actually broke. So we can't actually get into the door from, from the outside. This has to be replaced now, which I'm not super stoked to do. But it has to be done, right?
I guess so. Door stuff.
I guess we're going to the wrecking yards tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can look for a high top there too.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Welcome back, folks, to the next day. It's a sunny one out there today in Bend, Oregon. It's a little bit warmer than usual. We definitely didn't freeze our ass off last night. And we're still kind of sick, but we're friggin' happy. And we're gonna go and do a bunch of errands today, which, that's always fun. Yeah.
Well, this is what laundry day looks like for me. Drying stuff. Editing. And Betty awaits adventure outside. Well, hey there, folks. We're back here in the van, and well, we haven't really gone that far. We waited in a Whole Foods parking lot for a very long time, expecting a parcel from Amazon to arrive at a Amazon shipping location, and at the very last moment they decided to tell me that it wasn't coming until tomorrow by 8 o'clock. So, both Meg and I are stuck here in Bend for another night, which we're not particularly stoked on because it's getting pretty dang cold here. Now, you may wonder what exactly we are doing. Well, let me tell you a story. When I was sick, I went through a very, very feverish session where I sweat profusely, leaving this pillow here rather wet, where the warm air met the cold air underneath the bed. Condensation developed, and so the whole underside of this pillow here is rather moist. So we've got our, that's toilet paper, wood stove, and we're trying to dry out the pillow, but it is toasty warm in here. And yeah, at this point we're just happy to be alive. Survived another day in Bend, dodging all those sprinters. So we'll just meet back up with you tomorrow morning. Well, this is the coldest night we've endured thus far. If you look at this water bottle here, it's got ice in it. All bundled up. It's cold outside. Time to go south.
Is it?
Why can't we get south? So cold.
New research findings that show how sperm counts worldwide have fallen by 62% in under 50 years and what that might mean for male health in the future.
Means more guys are jerking off.
You reckon?
Yeah.
No, I think it's in like the modern diet and whatever else that we do.
What is it, Meg?
And
What is it? Tell us. Tell us. What is it? Tell us, please.
it's because of all the shit we got in the place.
In the place. Yeah. Science.
I just had to do some major trimming on our favorite plant, Beatrice. She didn't appreciate -8
Celsius.
Celsius, yes.
Yeah. In addition to that, that plant is also dead now. So as we mentioned before, we had never intended to be this far north for this long. Unfortunately, got into those freezing temperatures, so stuff is dying because it's winter time. Yeah, we're still trying to get away from Bend, so
Pray for us.
Pray for heat. So it's just my guess, but it looks like it must be like the forestry service or fire prevention service has come through here and just like sawn down all of these trees, and assuming that they're going to be harvested or taken away at some point. But yeah, it's like as far as the eye can see, there's like these smaller trees that have been cut down and just left, and I think that maybe they're just going to dry out. Oh, it's weird. Well, I'm ready to go. Time to hit the trail, see some nature, find out what a big waterfall looks like in Oregon. It's gonna be a good old day. Let's get to it. We're here at the trailhead. This is Tumalo Falls, and we're gonna go for a hike and find some falls. She says thumbs up, therefore it's thumbs up. Okay? I wonder if that means Toyota crossing. Kind of looks like a Toyota to me. You think I'm just biased?
Yes. I really hurt.
Oh, there's a dog. Oh, there's a Oh, there's a Whoops. I may have just crashed Eric the drone. He's all right though, he's still flying. But for some reason when he hit the branch and then flipped over and fell on his back, his rotors didn't stop, which was weird. But I think he's still flight worthy, so hopefully enough so that he's all right though, he's still flying. Yeah!
That's good sunshine.
it's so clear.
I'll take it.
You want to take a drink?
Take a dip.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hot.
All right.
Yeah, no. Well, we got here, realized we could have driven. Yeah, no.
Oh, I've never seen it. Almost frozen. Waterfall like this.
Cool. I think we better hike up there.
Yeah.
You know that Instagram account, Subpar Parks, where they make like nice pictures out of people's shittier views of national parks? I came up with one for this one. Steep hill to the lookout. Our parks should have put parking lot closer. Cool. That's the second crash of the day. And this time, it's way the hell down there. So, activate Operation Rescue Derek. So I'm hustling my way down to the bridge so I can cross over, and then I gotta hike back up the creek and hope that it's not too ice covered. Well, this is gonna be interesting. Ooh, safely. Well, going's been quick, tough, a little bit treacherous, but I'm almost there. Almost. It's pretty here. You. There's our guy. Hey, buddy. You look okay. You lost your filter, though. Whew. Got it. Crash somewhere up there. All right, time to head back. Climb over all that. Well, that's the hard part over. I always wondered when I was gonna do that. Crash my drone and have to go and retrieve it. I know that everyone eventually crashes their drones. I thought, oh yeah, I've got a pretty good track record. I'm really cautious. Well, I kind of tried to look. Wondered when I was gonna do that. Fortunately, I lost one of my SkyREE ND filters for the drone, which is unfortunate, but whatever. I didn't lose the whole thing.
How was that?
That was good. My gloves are wet. My shoes are wet, but
We've got the expensive piece of hardware in tow. Derek survived.
Derek survived. What?
What you?
What is?
What? Doing?
What is life? What time is it?
Lunchtime.
Okay. Now that's something I haven't seen before. It's the Rhino car. Home sweet home. Hi, Betty.
Buddy.
Did you miss us?
Yeah.
Now that is a police truck. Holy moly. There's always cool rigs in Bend. Always. I found someone I want to park beside. I'm gonna go and park right beside them because it's got a really cool rig. Oh yeah. So cool. Alrighty folks, we're done at Walmart. And we're resupplied, we're refueled, and we're ready to friggin' leave Bend because it's about time. So we're on our way to Crater Lake now.
Probably won't be warmer there, but hey.
No, definitely won't be warmer.
It's in the right direction.
South. So. All right, later.
We're walking down, but there are a lot fewer boats on the water. There are a lot fewer swimmers than we've seen in previous days.